Hello, my friends. Alena from Intense Memories like to share and finish talking about page 9 in my album Hello Baby. I have to tell I am not very technical person, so my telephone doesn't work properly. It's my fault, not telephone fault. And don't finish my tutorial about page 9 and even not make page 10. So I want to just explain quickly. So this is on video how I did. I fussy cut this frame, and from C6 I cut off that oval, put acetate behind, and put tape just on 3 sides and glue, and make that photomat for 4 photos. I glue that sleeping sheep, maybe this, and that photomat can slide behind that frame. Then I glue frame. Actually, that I get from other product, Alchemy of Art the Baby. On back side are that frames, so I fussy cut all them, and overall I cut with C6. So this frame I just glue on this and this side, up and down, and I make a place to slide something, so I slide this. And also I just straight cut 13 and half, almost 14 line, and put that glue them that scallop strip, and again I add 2 folding photomats, so it's place for 8 photos, and I just glue that guirlande here. So that all about this page. And page 10 is okay. For beginning, I make envelopes or pockets which have, I take a paper 21 by 15 centimeters. Then with score I make line 1, then 10, and this is just 9 by point. I turn and make score 1 centimeters, and this part and this part I cut off. Then I fold and this outside from back. It's very important to glue that outside to have clear place for photomats there, or photos. So that are these 2 envelopes. Here I put frame, and again acetate and glue on 3 sides, here and here, and you can slide photo there. I glue also this frame, put baby there, and I save this what I get from C6 and slide behind that photomat frame to have chance to cut photo like that. And inside the envelopes are again folding photomats for 4 photos. We can slide them inside, and by magnet just closed. So that is my page 10. So 9 and 10. Thank you very much to visit my channel. Your comment really make me happy and support my imagination to doing more, maybe tutorial or some creation. Thank you very much and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.